In the end, the companies with the lower production cost are not only one that will propose that this can be very profitable strategy for the survivors. However, for example, those chemical companies has very well in this worldwide conventional chemical operations. Texas Instruments also did well when it makes pocket calculator into a lower price, selling money to all kinds of borrowers. And US Steel has wide variety of manufacturing firms. However, this is not the type of strategy. This would interest the marketing oriented business firms since it requires very little of the way or careful marketing plans. Under a conventional strategies, the product or product line are very similar in all important aspects to that of the competition, creating the following conditions. Salesperson are expected to sell all parts of the relevant market. Price is determined primarily by production cost. Costs are determined by the expertise of product engineering, marketing, and workers. Specialty strategy at the opposite extreme of the completely extreme of the mortality strategy, that is specify strategies which offers a line of distinctive product to a limited portion of the market. This is primarily a strategy of smaller companies, although some divisions of large companies will occasionally use it. For example, a small bakery might supply a line of gourmet desserts or to local restaurants. Rolls-Royce and Gauger dealers sell these expensive motorbikes only to a business buyer. Some neutral foods manufacturers sell a limited line of candles and packaged goods to health conscious buyers. Especially this strategy is primarily a combination of the two remaining strategies: market segmentation or product position. Each of these strategies will be discussed at length in the next section, since they are at heart of the process of strategic market planning. Market segmentation strategy. One of the great contribute the market discipline has to make the business community is the concept of market segmentation. It is based on the idea that the total relevant market is made up of different types of the customers who are similar to the each other in the some way that are important in the marketing of a particular product or product line. These groups are called market segments. This idea is a major departure from the production mentality. American business, which want to sell more at less standardized product to a mass market. We need to define a market segment as follows: a group of customers with similar needs or want that to be especially responsive to a given number in mix MIX. This is certain product feature at a certain price or a certain range or from certain distribution outlets using certain promotion efforts, and these will respond to the MIX better than any other MIX and better than customers in an other segment will respond. Thus, the market planner has a following task: find the best way or way to segment the relative market. Select the segment or segments of the company can several more profitable. Study the relevant to need of each segment. Selected segment. Learn as much as possible about the description characteristics of the peoples or companies in each selected segments. Develop a marketing mix that is designed especially for the segment. In this way, the company can concentrate its marketing efforts on those promotions of the marketing that it is best able to serve and the ones that offers the greatest potential profits. The segments that are selected for intensive marketing efforts are known as targeting markets. The company entire marketing program will design around these target marketing. It process the shows systematically. It describes what is meant by a market segmentation strategy.